Hi, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So you are watching this because you are excited about our Epicure USA launch and you want to sign up early, which is perfect. It is 9:19 a.m. my time, Eastern time. So the Epicure USA pre-launch is starting at 11 a.m. my time. So just a couple more hours to go. If you want to sign up, now is the time because everybody who signs up today, and they do say seats are limited, so meaning the quicker you sign up, the better. You will get free tickets to their Las Vegas conference. That's huge. Their conferences are just so inspiring, and you will always get additional free products. So who doesn't love free stuff? I know I do. That's why I attend these things, for the free stuff. But then just you walk out of there so inspired and so ready to kickstart your Epicure business. So it's perfect. And I believe the conference date is in August, so coming up soon. But more importantly, if you're one of the first 500 people to sign up, you will get free catalogs, a free meal kit, and lots of other free stuff. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Click that to be one of the first to sign up, because I literally have a list where as soon as we go live, which will be 11 a.m. my time, I will be signing up everybody one by one, but you do have to fill out that form that I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom so that I know all of your info so that I can sign you up. And Epicure will send you an email right away with your business kit confirmation. They will also send you an email on how to claim your free tickets and other free stuff if you get in there sooner rather than later. And the nice thing is, you guys, too, is I will be coming on live in our Epicure USA training Facebook page probably an hour after the sign-ups go live, because I want to sign everybody up first, make sure everybody's comfortable, and then I will be hopping on live to just talk about Epicure. And you can ask me any questions live. So you don't have to send emails. You do not have to hope to talk to somebody in a live chat. You can ask me live. I'm super excited. I took the whole day off to be able to do this because today's Monday. So this is probably the most exciting Monday ever. You know, like how could this not get more exciting? So I will be hopping on live to talk about Epicure, answer questions, and more importantly, how you can win, not win, but how you can get your business kit for free. So it's $400 worth of products for only $177 US. But if you sign up and you hold 4 cooking classes a month or 12 cooking classes in 3 months, so it's just easy to say, if you hold 1 cooking class a week, that's for a month equals 12, you will get that whole kit for free. So you don't have to pay for it. So technically, $400 worth of products free. I love that word. So I will be talking about how you can actually do that, because everybody goes, oh my goodness, I'm just getting started. How the heck can I do even 1 cooking class? Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. Don't be nervous. And cooking classes count if they're in your home, somebody else's home, or online. Not a lot of people do that or know that. So I will be teaching you all how to do one in person and also online. For those of you who might still be a little bit nervous and just want to stick with the online way of doing things, you will sell more hosting cooking classes in person though, because they can see everything, they can taste everything. But I do cooking classes primarily online just because I'm a busy person. I just simply don't have time. I'll be honest, I will admit. So I am the expert at online cooking classes. Not the expert, but a expert, if I can say that. But anyways, you guys, hope you're excited. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom to sign up. And I will leave the link for you guys to the Facebook page too, if you want to hop on and see me live talking about Epicure, likely an hour after the signups go live. So let's say in about 3 hours time, depending on when you're watching this. So thank you guys as always for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.